Now students, you have learned from paragraph 1 to 6 in the previous classes. Now I continue today from the paragraph 7 to 10. Firstly, I read out the each and every paragraph, then I tell you difficult words, then again paraphrase it. When India gained independence on 15th August 1947, Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to greet the nation with his Shehnai. He poured his heart out into Rag Kafi from the Red Fort to an audience which included Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who later gave his famous Tryst with Destiny speech. When India gained means got freedom on 15th August 1947, at that time Bismillah Khan was the first Indian who welcomes the country with his instrument Shehnai. He poured his heart, poured means here put his heart out into Rag Kafi from the Red Fort towards the audience means onlookers. In the audience there were also two great persons who were Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and who later, after hearing his music, he gave the famous speech. The name of the speech is Tryst with Destiny. Now come to the difficult words. Greet means say words of welcome to, or poured. Poured means cause a liquid to flow or put. Tryst means arrange meeting with. Destiny means luck or fortune. Memorable means to be remembered. Performance means an act of presenting. Abroad means foreign. Maestro means musician. Priceless means precious or valuable. Souvenir means memento. Taken in by means captivate or attracted. Captivated or attracted. Hit means big success or great success. Chartbuster means record breaker. Nationwide means throughout a nation. Celluloid means fashioned way of referring to films. Artificiality means fakeness. Glamour means glitter. Turned out means transformed. Came thick and fast means offered speedily and continuously. Auditorium means a big hall for audience or onlookers. Conferred means gave. Now, next paragraph. Bismillah Khan has given many memorable performances both in India and abroad. His first trip abroad was to Afghanistan, where King Jahir Shah was so taken in by the maestro that he gifted him priceless Persian carpets and other souvenirs. The king of Afghanistan was not the only one to be fascinated with Bismillah's music. Film director Vijay Bhatt was so impressed after hearing Bismillah play at a festival that he named a film after the instrument called Gunj Uthi Shehnai. The film was a hit and one of Bismillah Khan's compositions, Dil Ka Khilauna Hai Toot Gaya, turned out to be a nationwide chartbuster. Despite this huge success in the celluloid world, Bismillah Khan's ventures in film music were limited to two: Vijay Bhatt's Gunj Uthi Sehnai and Vikram Srinivasa's Kannada venture, Sanadhi Apanna. I just can't come to terms with the artificiality and glamour of the film world, he says with emphasis. Awards and recognition came thick and fast. Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall in the United States of America. He also took part in the World Exposition in Montreal, in the Cannes Art Festival, and in the Osaka Trade Fair. So well known did he become internationally that an auditorium in Tehran was named after him, Tahar Morsky Ustad Bismillah Khan. National awards like the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan, and the Padma Vibhushan were conferred on him. Now, Bismillah Khan has given many memorable performances both in India and abroad. Bismillah Khan has given a lot of programs not only in India but also in foreign countries which were memorable or to be remembered. His first trip means his first journey to abroad was Afghanistan, where King Zahir Shah was so taken in, means attracted or captivated by the maestro, means musicians, that he gifted, means Zahir Shah gave or gifted Bismillah Khan a valuable Persian carpets and other mementos also. The king of Afghanistan was not only the single person who was fascinated with Bismillah's music, other also were two persons. The film director, whose name is Vijay Bhatt, he was also impressed, means influenced, after hearing Bismillah play on the occasion of a festival, and that Vijay Bhatt gave the name of his film on the basis of the instrument called Gunj Uthi Sehnai. The film was a hit. Hit means big success or great success. And one of Bismillah Khan's composition, and Bismillah Khan also made a composition which name is Dil Ka Khilauna Hai Toot Gaya. Turned out, means transformed to be a nationwide chartbuster, means it became the very famous in the whole nation. Despite this huge success, instead of becoming a great success in the area of industry film, Bismillah Khan's risky work was only limited to these two things: Vijay Bhatt's Gunj Uthi Sehnai and Vikram Srinivasan's Kannada venture. Its name is Sanadhi Apanna. After then, Bismillah Khan repeatedly told that he just can't come to terms with the artificiality, means he never showed his faith in the fakeness. Artificiality means fakeness and glamour means glitter in the area of film industry. After then, awards and recognition means fame. Awards and fame came near Bismillah Khan in a very continuously way, in a very speedy way. So thick and fast means offered speedily and continuously. And then Bismillah Khan became the first Indian who was invited to perform at the prestigious means honored Lincoln Center Hall in the United States of America. Then he also participated in the World Exposition in Montreal, in the Cannes Art Festival, and also in Osaka Trade Fair. So well known did he became this way, Bismillah Khan became famous internationally, means between or among different countries. He became famous in different countries, and on that basis an auditorium means a big hall for audience, and there was also a big hall in Tehran, and this auditorium was named on the name of Bismillah Khan, and that is Tahar Mosiki Ustad Bismillah Khan. After then, there were national awards like Padam Shri, the Padam Bhushan, and Padam Vibhushan, which were conferred or given to Bismillah Khan. Next class, I will start the next paragraph. Thank you. Now I give some questions to make or to solve it. Question number 1. When and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? Question number 2. What role did Bismillah Khan play on August 15, 1947? This is for today, and try your best to solve it. Thank you for it.